Today I'm looking at a wireless microphone. This is by PQRQP. It's a 3-in-1 microphone. It's a plug and play with noise reduction, precise radio, clear timbre, highly sensitive, and wildly compatible. I'm going to unbox it, look at it really closely, then we're going to set it up and use it and see how it does. We've got the wind muffles, 2 of them, one for each microphone. A USB-C to USB cable. Here is the transmitter. You've got the USB-C, you've got a lightning, and a regular 3.5 connector. Here's receiver 1. This receiver 2. It's got charging, Bluetooth connection, Wi-Fi, volume up, down, mute, on, off. Transmitter, battery indicator, Wi-Fi, linked. So we'll go ahead and charge these and then come back and check it out. Here are the muffs. It clamps right on there. In the box, you get an instruction manual. It's a good idea to look at the instruction manual before you try to use it. It is incredibly easy to set up. Okay, and here's your charging cable, USB to USB-C for 2, each of these. The lights go on to show you what's going on. You got your battery, link, Wi-Fi, and your off-on button. It says lightning, TRRS, USB-C, and you even have an adapter for a TRS. Microphones, these are the transmitters. It'll light up and show you what's going on. You've got volume up and down, mute, off, on. I'm going to go ahead and connect it to an iPhone. We'll see how easy or not it connects. Turn this on. Okay. Connect the appropriate connector. And turn this on. Okay, you see it's flashing. You're ready to go. Okay, I'll go ahead and we're going to do a video on here. So I'll go ahead and testing 1, 2, 3. This is 5 inches from my mouth, and this is the microphone at about arm's length, and this is where it should be, right underneath my mouth on my collar. I'm using the mic with my MacBook Air, and I've got the transmitter plugged into the TRRS headphone dock of my MacBook. The recording volume is automatic. I have found that the louder the noise outside that it's trying to filter out, you start hearing a little distortion. This is in a quiet room with a fan going on and attached to a MacBook. You've got an earphone plug on both the receiver and the transmitter that you can use while you're recording. This is how the microphone sounds when it's plugged into the USB-C port of the MacBook Air. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go outside. They're mowing the grass now, so there's a lot of noise there. We're going to see how well the filtering works on this camera. Do the first demo just using the camera onboard mic so you can hear the difference. Here is the audio from just camera, and you can hear everything going on. And of course, the further I move away from the camera, the less likely you are to hear what I'm saying. I'm still going to keep talking and pretend that I can be heard. Got the mic on. I'm using it with my Sony ZV-1 camera. So I'm just going to back up and we'll see how clear or not the microphone is as I back away. This microphone states that you can get 328 feet, which is a long way. But we'll see how good it holds up in my yard. I would say I'm a good 50 feet away now. Let's keep going a little bit, trying not to run into anything. And I don't know if you can hear the mowers, but it's pretty loud. Back up. I would say that's about 100 feet or more. So I'm happy. I'm never going to be that far away from my camera. So I'm walking towards the camera. We'll see what happens. But I'm very happy with this. Very, very happy with this. It couldn't be easier to set up. And I just wanted something simple for voiceovers when I'm at home doing my videos. So this is perfect. That's what I have for this week. Take care, have a great day, and I will see you next week with something you can't live without.